welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss about the HTML5 structural element. So in previous lectures of HTML5 about the structural element, we have learned about the header, navigation, main, footer element. So in this class we will learn more HTML5 structural element. So these elements are section element, the article element, mark element, summary element, etc. So let's discuss about these elements one by one. So here I have designed this program. Basically I have made changes in this program which we have discussed earlier in the class of 2-column page layout. So in this program I have made the changes in the main section of the program. So here I have removed the main section and on the place of the main section I have used this section element. So here this section element is used to indicate a section of a document such as a chapter or a topic. So here the home page of web page can be split into sections for introduction, for the content part, or for writing the contact information. So here you can see that I have removed the main section and here I have used this section element. So in this section element I have used this H2 heading tag. We have written the tel comma below. After that I have used the another structural element named as aside. So here this aside element presents a sidebar or the other tangential content. So here it defines some content aside from the content it is placing. So the aside content should be related to the surrounding content. So it must be related to the surrounding content which we have right here in this program. After that I have declared the H3 heading and then the another structural element is time element. So here this time element represents a date or a time. So an optional date time attribute is used to specify a calendar date and time in machine readable format. So here we are using the time element with the date time attribute equals to the we have written here the date. After that we have mentioned here the particular date and we have closed this element. After that I have declared the paragraph tag. So after that here also the one of the structural element is article. So here this article element is used to present an independent entry. So such as this article element is used for blog posting, comment, forum posting or for the newspaper articles. So in the next part again we have declared this article element and in this we have declared the H3 heading, the time element and the paragraph. And here I have closed the section element. So coming to the head part. So here in head section I have declared the properties to this particular structural element. So these body selector, header selector and navigation selector are seen as in the previous class, but we have made the changes to the here. So here I have declared this section selector and in declaration part I have used this property that is margin left colon 100 pixels. So here I have set the left margin of the browser. After that I have used the aside selector and in aside selector I have declared the float property that is right, then its width, background color, padding, margin right, margin size, font size, box shadow, position and the top. So here I have declared all the properties that is related to the aside. After that we have declared the H1 selector that will make the changes to the H1 heading. And then the another part we have here I have added is span. So you can see that in header section in body part in the header element we have declared the another part that is span. So here I have declared the properties to the span selector, its font family, font size, text indent, text alignment, color, white space property or the overflow property. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. For that you have to go to run and launch in Chrome. So as you will expand the browser you can see that detail comma block that we added as the H2 heading will be displayed here. After that it will show us the H3 heading that we have declared in the article. Then this is for the time element and this is the paragraph. Same way this is the time element and this is the paragraph and this part is for the footer and this part is for the navigation part. And the span element which we have added here is they declare this part, the base training center. And the part which we have declared in aside, that will be declared here because we have set its properties. You can see from here, you have set the property of aside like this. So these are the properties that are allocated to this particular aside element. So it will be float over the right side, its width will be 200 pixels, background colors, its padding, margin right, and its font size, box shadow, position relative and position property and its top position. So this is about the different structured element. So there are also more elements like the mark element which is used to define the marked or highlighted text. Next another one element is summary element which define a visible heading for a detail element. So this is used to define a visible heading in the HTML program. After that another structured element is detail element. So this element is used to define additional details that the user can view or hide from the users. So next we have also discussed about these structured elements like the fig caption and the figure. So these are also the HTML5 structured element. So this is all about the structured element. So you can see that from here it will be set like this. So header will come at the top, then its navigation part. Then in the main section, this will be divided as the section will come first. After that, it will display the article, and to the side element, the side element will be on the right or the left side of the container. After that, it will end up with the footer. So in this way, the page layout of HTML program will change with these structured elements. So this is all about this HTML5 structure element. Thank you.